This is a supercharged V12 powered street legal BMW Z4 GT3 race car built by Gooichi Motors. I'll be going over all of the details and I'll have the build specs listed below, so if that helps, don't forget to smash that like button. Getting right into it, the motor is a Gooichi Stage 3 M120 6-liter V12 from a Mercedes-Benz that also happens to be the engine Pagani uses in their hypercars. The engine features a ton of GMS components, including forged connecting rods, high compression pistons, raced heads, custom CNC engine clearing and porting, billet dry sump, beautiful Celeritech 6:1 equal length custom headers, oil system upgrades, motion throttle bodies, billet intake manifold, hatch coils, custom mounts and brackets, race alternator, and so much more. Basically, anything that could be done has been done, as GMS specializes in performance parts for the M120 engines, and it's an absolute artwork of an engine. But on top of all of that is a crank drive Procharger F1x Supercharger, which, in combination with the V12, should produce over 1,500 horsepower in final tune, which is incredible, especially considering that this car likely weighs less than 3,000 pounds, so it's definitely going to be a rocket. Now, that supercharged V12 is paired with an HGT 6-speed sequential transmission and a Ford 8.8 or 8.8 independent rear suspension setup with limited slip to send power to the rear wheels. The exterior features a fully reworked BMW GT3 Heritage Race body kit with over 200 of hours just to get the body kit to fit right. On top of that, we also have some Aerolatch front hood pins, dial dynamics, fog lights, custom Lexan housings on multiple windows, custom front headlights, carbon fiber front splitter. We have a rear race diffuser, BYC Designs hood vents and mirrors, lots and lots of custom work, including some of the little carbon touches for the side intakes, and a 9 lives wing on the rear, just to try and help put some of that power down using something other than mechanical grip. But what a body kit, and especially considering that it has the jack system from the GT3 race car underneath, makes this one heck of a build. So moving on to the interior, we're starting off with an Alcantara carbon race dash. Of course, we have our Haltech displays to go along with some of our engine management systems. We even have some of the reservoirs for the Wilwood brakes in the cabin as well, so you can monitor them while you're racing. Everything is held in place with Momo Daytona Evo seats along with Momo harnesses. You have an SPA fire suppression system, some of your battery storage, and some of your other systems. Then, of course, we also have a Radium Engineering 14-gallon fuel system stored in the trunk. So lots of basic stripped race car bits in there, but very cool nonetheless. Then finally, underneath, everything is custom and refinished. We have Wilwood race brakes with 6 pistons in the front and 4 piston in the rears, with, of course, come with slotted rotors for that aggressive brake grab. You have custom hard lines, and the wheels have been converted with braid center lug conversions. We have Oilin's race coilovers, 1552 custom 3-piece wheels, which are wrapped in Toyo Proxys RR tires. All in all, just a crazy build, but that's the end of the video, and this has to be one of the coolest cars at SEMA 2023, so I wanted to share it. If you enjoyed the video and could smash that like button, I would really appreciate it, and if you like the content and want more, don't forget to get subscribed, and of course, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.